Hello guys, today I will show you the security camera in this box inside. This box is A-zone security camera. This is a 5 megapixel POE camera. Today I will show you including all of this in this box with review. I will show you also this video quality and everything. I check it first time I open it. Today I will buy it on Amazon. Now I will show you on this inside of this box. Okay, let's go. Now I open this box. Open. I have a okay. Now I got this. Now I got this inside this box. Ooh, everything have. There have a user manual. This is A-zone security camera. Okay, I show you later. This one is a reminder. This one maybe later we put inside. Oh, careful. This is POE LAN cable. Okay, 1 2 3. This one is 8 channel camera with 8 camera. I will show you everything. This is 4 and 5 6 7 8, right? Everything have 8. Now I will show you this NVR box. This is NVR box. Oh, really nice, really nice. This good quality. I see it's 2 USB port, 1 HDMI, VGA, power, audio out, LAN connection, and all of the LAN is CC camera. This is no need to power CC camera. This is good, looking also good. Oh, okay, I will connect this one later. They have all box. I see this inside of this box. I will show you. This is first box. Oh, this is first box with one adapter and one mouse also. One mouse, I see it. Okay, one power cord also. I need to plug this one later. Now I will I see only the inside of this box. This one is camera. Oh, this one is camera also. Screw. They have also screw, and this is mounting tape. Okay, I will show you the camera. No, really good quality. Maybe metal box is good quality. This is only one cable is internet cable, is LAN cable. One cable maybe is good quality. A-zone good quality. I show you the video quality later. First I open this box, then connect this all of camera. Now I show the all camera. All box is same. This camera also same. This camera also same. I will show you the all of camera and connection, everything. Now I will show you the 2 camera, but I will show you the all camera. All camera I will show you. And now I connect this NVR power, then I will open and connect. Because of time, it's really need too much time. I don't try to the long time video. Now it's HDMI port. I connect the HDMI port on this TV. Okay, first I connect this HDMI. Now I will connect this mouse also. Mouse is very important. This one is mouse port. Okay, I connect it. Then I connect the power adapter. This one is power adapter. and this is the power cord also. I will connect this power cord. This is A-zone security camera. It's most popular of the Japan. I try to show you the whole of feature. Now I connect this thing. Now I switch the power. Now I switch the power. Its power is on. Oh, NBR also working. Now I connect this cable and camera. Okay, I will show the camera also. This one is camera side, and this one is NVR side. I connected the NVR side and I connected the camera side. I need to check this first time window. Okay, first time window. This is Japanese language. You can change the language also. I can show the English. English is very easy. Okay, apply. English, apply. Then next. Then this one is HDD. Is no need to format it. Okay, first time you can use this format option. This one is need time 10 seconds or 20 seconds, depend on the machine. Maybe 10 to 20 seconds you need to wait for the formatting of this hard drive first time. Then we connect the all of this camera. Maybe it's 10 meter cable. Maybe this is done, formatted, success. Now is next step, then next step, then next step. This is the window. Then I connect this camera. I can check the working or not working. Okay, now I check. I connected this camera. This one is I connect already. This one I connect already, but not showing now. Maybe first time is need time. Sometime is not working. This time working. You see the first camera is working. First camera is working. It's maybe it's quality not bad. It's good quality. I see the all of this. This one is good quality. Okay. I connect the other one. This one and this one is second. This one is second. This one also. This one is second. Okay, I connect the third one. I connect this third one. This one is third. This one is auto adjustable. They have two camera, that's why adjustable. These things. I connect the third camera also. The camera is here. I have more. I connect the all camera and check this quality of this NBR. I will show you all. Stay tuned. This one is downside. This one also I connect. this one, more 3. I have more 3. Too much. They have too much. Yes, I need to time. Stay tuned. I show you all camera view is working or not working. There I have more camera also. Okay, this one is connect this one also, this one there, then another one. Very nice. This one is there. Okay, and this one I have more 3 camera. I have more 3 camera. Okay, I will connect this thing, this one. Okay, this one I will show it this side. I have more 2. I will show all of camera is working or not working. Okay, now this one and this one. This is very easy to connect. You can easily connect this camera. This camera is +2. Okay, this one is the number 7th camera. This one also connect last one. This one is last one. I will check also the last one. You see, the whole of item is too much space need, but I don't have too much space. Okay, finally I connect this all of camera in this box. All camera I connect this. All camera I connect this. Okay. This one. Now all are working. This is night time, that's why maybe it's this one is working. This one all are working. This all item are working. One camera not connected. One camera is not connected now. What is the problem? I don't know. This is 4 and 4. All are camera I connected, but one camera is not working. Why? I don't know. They have 8 already. I see. They have already 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, this one is 9 camera view. That's why it's not show. Okay, I will show you the change of this. Split camera is 8 view. 8 view is all are show. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, that's good. It's video manage, video playback, is everything. This sign is this sign is recording. This sign is recording sign. That's why I know this is working to recording. Okay, but I will show everything is working, and I will set up it later. Okay, now everyone have any question, for this. I hope this video you like, and if you like, then push one like. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.